In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin with Kraken app step by step. First, open the Kraken mobile app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll usually be in the Markets section by default, where you can see a list of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Since we want to buy Bitcoin, simply tap on Bitcoin from the list. That will bring you to the Bitcoin page, and here you'll see a buy button. Tap on it and a pop-up will appear where you can enter the amount you want to spend. You can either type in your own amount or select from preset options like $20, $50, or $100. Next, you'll need to choose your payment method. This could be your linked bank account, debit card, or another option depending on what you've already added to your Kraken app. After selecting your payment method, tap on the review button at the bottom of the screen. On the next page, you'll see a summary of your purchase. It will show you how much Bitcoin you're getting, the price, and any fees. Carefully check that all the details are correct, and if everything looks good, tap Confirm. You'll then see a success message letting you know that your Bitcoin purchase went through. Tap Done, and the Bitcoin you just bought will show up in your Kraken portfolio, ready for you to hold or trade. And that's it. That's how you buy Bitcoin with Kraken app step by step. If you're buying Bitcoin on Kraken, you need a way to move money in and out without losing a chunk to fees. That's where Wise comes in. They beat banks and PayPal on exchange rates, charge ultra-low fees, and work in 160-plus countries. Sign up free with the link below to get your first $800 transfer with zero fees, and invite friends to earn extra cash when they make a qualifying transfer or spend with Wise.